Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm working on some sequins, some Halloween sequins today for my Halloween series, 31 days of Halloween projects for inspiration for my subbies. And so today's is some sequin mix that I have made. Sorry for the glare. But bunches of fun goodness in there if it will ever focus. There you go. You can see some seed beads, sequins, pumpkin shaped, all different colors and sparkles. I've also used, so this was the original mix, but these spider webs will not fit in those containers that I got from Michael's, I believe, a package of 5. And so I'm just gonna go through how I made it. So this is all the green sea bead I have left. That's what I use for the sound effect. I added some of this purple. Well, I'm just gonna use it all. And some of this orange. I'm not gonna use all of this, but quite a bit. And the pumpkins. Can't hold on to it forever. And some of the green glitter. I think I got this one from Cartwright. It's very shimmery. Okay. I'm not going to put any more spider webs in because it won't fit in those jars anyway. But I believe this is a good little Halloween mix color, right? Yeah, so that's how I did it. I'll share another mix I made. This one is with spiders, red spiders, and the black webs, and then I just added some silver stars in various sizes. So that one. And then I also found this pack I had in my stash from the Dollar Tree. It has boo words. I believe these are witches on brooms. And I can't figure out what this one is. I don't know what this one is. But when I open it, I'll figure it out. I want to say they might be cats, black cats. But I'm sorry for the glare. But yeah, so I've had this in my stash. So I'm going to make a sequin mix up for this. And if you've seen my bag topper I made with the boo and I put the sequin mix in it, this was the sequin mix that I had put in there. So yeah. If you stay to the end of the video, I have a giveaway. I am giving away this sequin mix. You just must be a visible subscriber of mine. You must be 18 years or older. And just leave a comment. Leave a comment below. Let me know any comment you want to leave. We'll enter you. Today is, or this video is going to go up on August 8th, and you have till August 13th. I will call the winner on August 14th. So you have till August 13th to leave a comment, and I will choose a winner on August 14th. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas.